Douglas Bickford. Okay, I'm traveling in my Sunday journey today, which is the 25th of July 2021. I'm traveling in my 2000, I believe it's a 2002 Miata. How cool is that car? This is my life nowadays. Okay, now I'm in Gold Beach, Oregon. Now check this out. Look at how cool this is. How beautiful is that water? It's amazing, isn't it? I mean, absolutely amazing. Look at those waves. It's windy here. Very windy. So it's making the waves big. Check it out. Look at all the flowers. I love the Pacific Ocean. Now there's a car down there on that beach. How peaceful the ocean is. I mean, not peaceful, but you know what I mean? That big old huge body of water just goes on for miles and miles and miles. That is Mother Earth at its finest right there. Later for you on my Sunday journeys. I don't know where I'll be going next Sunday. This is my second time at the coast, so we'll see.